Hello, I'm Harry Potter. I've been reading your YouTube comments, and though most of you appear to be completely impressed with the quality of my work, I've noticed one recurring request. Many of you have asked for a Draco Malfoy puppet. What a wonderful idea! I took it upon myself to bring this amazing concept into action. Here he is! Say hello, Draco.
Hello, Draco.
No, say hello to the audience.
Hello to the audience.
How dare you make a fool of me? Why don't you tell them a little about yourself, Draco?
Hello, I'm Draco Malfoy. I'm totally rich, and I'm really proud that I'm pure-blooded wizard. Hee 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 hee.
Ha 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 ha! What a wonderful person! Let's learn some more about Draco. Draco likes hamsters. Draco likes honey. Draco likes toothpaste. Draco likes money. Draco likes face paint. Draco likes pliers. Draco likes bowling. Draco likes cartwheels. Draco likes fire.